Changemaker is dedicated to bringing a bit of joy to people battling cancer. A cancer fighter herself, Jill Swanson, started putting together care packages for those going through treatment back in 2014. And with some help and significant donations from others, the nonprofit Lemons of Love was born. And over the last several years, almost a decade, Lemons of Love has donated more than 30,000 care packages to people in all 50 states and 17 other countries. Jill Swanson joins us now. Jill, thank you so much for being here, and congratulations on your, health right now, almost 10 years after your cancer battle.
Correct. Yeah, it's been just nine years since I finished treatment, and I wake up every morning blessed.
Why did you start Lemons of Love? What inspired you?
I think it was the first time I walked into the cancer center for my own chemo. I sat in the waiting room and I looked at everybody in the waiting room, and I realized that everybody's story was different, everybody's diagnosis was different, and it was my way of connecting with people and just knowing that we were all part of the same club.
We talked about the care packages. What are some of the items in care packages, and what do you think they mean to people who receive them?
Well, I know that they're filled with things that you need while you're going through treatment. We share lemon drops because not only Life Hands lemons make lemonade, but the lemon drops help take that metal taste out of your mouth while you're going through treatment. We add lemonade, because hence the lemonade. We've got Queasy drops in there, some organic ginger tea for upset stomachs. We have organic lip balm, organic lotion, your skin dries out. We load it up with basic needs for people going through treatment, and then we top every package off with a pair of superhero socks and a happy picture from a small child.
Oh, I love that. And how do you find the people that you're sending these care packages to,
Yeah, we do it two different ways. We do bulk deliveries at local hospitals, so we fulfill the Chicagoland area in a big way, and the suburbs, obviously. But then we also have a program on our website that if you know somebody going through treatment somewhere else in the country, you can go on our website and send it as a gift from you to that person.
Are we talking just adults or children too? Or?
We mostly focus on adults because I was an adult when I was diagnosed with cancer. However, we moved into, during the holidays, we do kids care packages.
Which I'm sure also means a lot, especially not just to the kids, but to their parents. I know it's not just care packages, it's also free programs to those who are battling cancer. Can you tell me about those programs?
Yes. As we grew and we realized we needed our own space to fill the care packages and have people come in, we felt we should open the building up for free programs. So we do a couple different weekly yoga classes for free. We do wellness, nutrition. We partner with the Botanic Gardens and we do these garden projects. We have all different kinds of craft projects. We have local people come in and teach something, and it becomes this really organic connection between people going through treatment, and it's a support group without being a support group.
Right. I would imagine it's very cathartic for a lot of folks.
Very much so, yes.
Take part.
Yes, and it's also kind of, it brings people in at different levels of their survivorship, and so people feed off of each other's stories, and it's a beautiful thing.
What to you is most rewarding about Lemons of Love?
I think that the most rewarding thing is when somebody responds when they receive a care package. Just last week, the Chicago Bears delivered care packages at a hospital in Libertyville, and we already got a message back from a gentleman who's been battling cancer for a couple of years, and just letting us know the impact of that care package and how much it meant to him. He actually sent us a picture of the care package along with his note.
I would imagine, because all of a sudden you get this unsolicited care package, and it lets you know people outside of your family and your immediate circle are thinking about you. Yeah.
Correct, and it also makes that connection. There's a card inside of there that says, I've been in the chemo chair, and so there's a connection between two random people. It's beautiful. Well,
wonderful. Well, Jill Swanson, founder of Lemons of Love, thank you so much for joining us, and that's wonderful work.
Thanks for having us, Dana.
My pleasure. And we'll be sure to have a link so you can learn more about Lemons of Love on our website, cbschicago.com.